Hello friends, welcome to our quantitative reasoning class. This is section F, sample F, okay? And in sample F, we have 4 parts, okay? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Like we've been having in this 2022 National Common Entrance Exam, right? So let's quickly look at how to analyze our samples, okay? Let's look out for number combinations, how we can combine our numbers. Alright, so when you have a cross like this, usually the combination is horizontal and vertical. So that means this number will likely work together. These two numbers will likely work together, while these two may also work together. Or these two may work together to produce this and also work together to produce this. Or the three will work together to produce the bigger one, alright? If you can spot one that is big, alright, across the samples. Okay, from our facts, from our knowledge bank, we could see some perfect squares already. I'm seeing 81 here, there is 16, there is 64, alright, 1/64. Alright, that means squares are involved here, alright? Okay, and without wasting time, I know from fact that 9 squared is 81, 4 squared is 16, and 1/8 squared is 1/64, because 1 squared is 1, 8 squared is 64. So like I said in the introductory lesson to this quantitative reasoning, you should master your squares and square roots from 1 to 20. So you should know 1 squared 1, 2 squared 4, 3 squared 9, 4 squared 16, 10 squared 100, 11 squared 121, 12 squared 144, 13 squared 169, like that until you get to at least 20 or 25. So it's very easy to master. So just learn it, then also master your multiplication table at least from 2 to 12. 1 is a universal one, it's very simple. So at least master from 2 times 1 to 2 times 12, then 3, 4, 5, 6 to 12. So once you have this, then with the knowledge of your basic operation, the addition and subtraction you've been doing from your primary 1, primary 2, primary 3, there are some numbers some number combinations that have been registered, that must have been registered in your brain already. So when you see 2 and 3, you know that 2 plus 3 is 5, 2 times 3 is 6. So all those things are registered already in your brain, okay? So those are the things we leverage on, those are the things we work on, we use when we are doing a quantitative reasoning, okay? But you must be conscious of this, that you need to master your squares and your multiplication table, and possibly your cube and cube roots, right? Okay, so having said that, so once you look through your sample and you're able to spot the perfect square, you see 1, 4, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, and like that, you just easily, it will be easy for you to trace where they're coming from. So from here we've seen that 9 squared will give us 81, 4 squared will give us 16, and 1/8 squared will give us 1/64. So I'm going to write that relationship. 9 squared means 9 times 9, right? Equals to 81. So if I multiply 9 by itself, I have 81. Then, what if I'm giving 81, I don't have 9? From this relationship, I could just find the square root of 81. The square root of 81 will be 9. Okay, so we're done with this. Okay, so we're left with these two guys here. So when we look at 12 and 3, what can we do with 12 and 3 to get either 9 or 81? Okay, 12 plus 3 is 15. 12 minus 3 is 9. Okay, subtraction. So 12 minus 3 is 9. Let's check with this. 5 minus 1, is it 4? Correct. Okay. 3 eighths minus 2 eighths, so it's 1 eighth. Alright, so that's correct. So the relationship here is 12 minus 3, which is equals to 9. So from this relationship, we can get the value of 12 and 3. So if 12 minus 3 is 9, that means, alright, that means 9 plus 3 will give us 12. Alright, if 12 minus 3 is 9, then you need to add 3 to 9 to get 12. Then 12 minus 9 will give us 3. So we have the formula for the 4 parts, right? And we can even have it in multiple ways, okay? But it's easier if you have limited time in your exam. Alright, so we have the answer to the formula for the 4 parts we have. To get 81, we do the square of this. To get this, we do the square root of 81, or we just subtract 12 minus 3. So under exam situation, I will just subtract. I will just do my 12 minus 3, okay, instead of looking for the square root of 81. So this is simpler and faster. Alright, okay, so let's go and solve number 17 now. Number 17, if this is the first one you're watching, please go over, go to the channel. You'll see the quantitative reasoning playlist. You have the previous ones we've done there. Okay, so we have the missing one on top. This is the missing one in number 17. So that's in place of 81 here. So how did we get the 81 here? We did 9 squared. 9 squared. Okay, so we're going to square this, then we'll have 81. So that means we'll square the number down. So that will be 2 squared, which is the same thing as 2 times 2. And the answer is 4. Okay, that is option E. That is what? Option E. Alright, so the answer is 4. Number 18. We are looking for the one down. Right, we're looking for the one here. That means the one in place of 9. There are two ways we could get a 9. We could do the square root of 81, and we have 9. Or we could do 12 minus 3, 81. So which one is simpler for us? We have 900. Okay, looking for the square root of 900 may take our time. Okay, so let's just do 40 minus 10. So we do 40 minus 10. And 40 minus 10 is 30. 40 minus 10 is 30. So our answer is option C. Alright, 30. Okay, so number 19. The question mark is here. This is the unknown. So that's in the place of 12 in our analysis. That's in the place of 12. So how did we get 12? We did 9 plus 3. So 9 plus 3. So we're adding these two parts. Alright, so that means we're going to do 13 plus 4. So 13 plus 4. 13 plus 4 equals 17. And our answer is option D. Alright, 13 plus 4 equals 17. And our answer is option D. Alright. The last one, number 20 in this sample. We're looking for this. That is in place of 3 in our analysis. How did we get 3 here? We did 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9. So that means we're doing this part minus this part. So that would be 4/5 minus 1/5. 4/5 minus 1/5. That's just like saying 4 mangoes minus 1 mango. Alright, the answer will be 3 mangoes, right? So 4/5 minus 1/5 is 3/5. Alright, and our answer is option B. Okay, so please, you can go through again from the beginning so that you understand the concept and how we are able to analyze a sample and use the analysis to solve the questions. Alright, thank you. God bless you.